We're here at the Cajon Classic Cruise here with Charger Steve. Charger Steve, tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Hey, it's another Wednesday night here in downtown El Cajon, the Cajon Classic Cruise. Tonight is Funny Car Frenzy, so we're excited. We have world record holder Randy Walls, along with his friends Eric Gates, Gentle Ben, Joe Trickley, the host of awesome funny cars. We're gonna fire these bad boys up. We got the Cajon Classic Cruise girls here, hundreds of hot rods and classics. It's awesome.
It's just me, one summer your fire.
Yo, it's Charger Steve, and we're here at the Cajon Classic Cruise, brought to you by SYCUAN Casino. El Cajon Ford, De La Fuente Cadillac is here, El Cajon Harley, La Tigers, and more.